Thandeka, my dear, where's the vlog that you promised us? You see, we cannot reach 100,000. Guys, I've been on YouTube for more than 3 years and I still struggle to 5,000, which is a fact. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Today, I'm just gonna make this light-hearted video giving advice to Thandeka if she does see this video. Guys, on YouTube in South Africa, this is the hardest place to grow. I've had Instagram, Facebook. I will just grow followers like in a month. I'll be on 1,000 and then I delete the account. But Facebook, it's been 3 years and now that's when I see my Facebook, not Facebook, YouTube starting to grow. So, Ms. Thandeka Shabalala, with the platform that you have, the attention that you have, what you need to do to reach that 1,000 followers or subscribers is to stay on the platform. Upload. You have so many things to upload about. Like, I mean, for example, myself, I want to know where you purchase your hair. I will not purchase it because it looks expensive, but I would like to know where you get your hair from because it's quality. Like, there are many questions about your hair. Address that on your vlog, like addressing my hair. I'm telling you, in that vlog, you can get over 200 subscribers. Another thing that you can do that people love is the skincare. Your skin look gorgeous, my dear. Your skin is glowing. Your skin is like in its glory. What is the secret? We want to know, like the morning routine of Thandeka Shabalala and the night routine. What does she do during the day to eat so that the skin looks that, when you talk about it on the platform that use sunscreen and whatnot, but we don't see the sunscreen that you use, it doesn't give the same excitement like going to YouTube and see your favorite housemate or YouTuber doing it live. Like, it just feels so real. That's how you grow on YouTube. And another thing that you can talk about is your sheep. You just give us not too much, because if you give us too much, we'll be spoiled and then we want more. You just like snippets of what's going on, how you plan your days, your outfits that you wear. You also want to know. And actually get ready with me to the Icon Awards. And those things are very like much needed. Like, why did you choose that hairstyle? Because it looks bomb on you. Like, the dress, where did you get it? That chiffon, white, like elegant, glorious, like Meghan Markle, like Kate Middleton. It was so good, Thandeka. We need that from you. Like, I really wish that someone could advise her that on YouTube, you don't need to have 1,000 followers before you can upload, because the truth is Facebook, YouTube will not push your account just because you're popular, unlike other what in social media platform like Facebook and whatnot. Those ones they will push your account for, but YouTube, it needs you to be consistently uploading, you know what I mean, so that you can get what you want to. Guys, please do that. By the way, I need to say thank you for watching and clicking, liking, commenting, subscribing for this week. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.